In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly remove Woocommerce from WordPress while retaining your product images. Whether you're restructuring your website, shifting platforms, or simply no longer need an online store, removing Woocommerce can significantly declutter your site. Now, let's dive right into the process. First, we're going to start by heading over to WordPress.com. This is your central hub for managing your website, so make sure you're logged in. If you aren't already logged in, simply click on the Login button. You should be familiar with this process, but if you're not, just follow the prompts on the screen to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate directly to your WordPress dashboard. This is the command center for your site. From here, you have the power to alter settings, customize features, and most importantly for us today, manage your plugins. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll find an option labeled Plugins. Clicking this will take you to a page listing all the plugins currently installed on your WordPress site. This is where we need to be to address Woocommerce. Once you're on the Plugins page, look for another option that says Installed Plugins. By clicking on this, you'll gain a more detailed view of each plugin, including Woocommerce, which we'll be focusing on today. In this list, locate Woocommerce. If you've had it on your site for managing your store, it should be here. Click on it to reveal additional options specific to Woocommerce. The next step is crucial. You'll see an option to deactivate Woocommerce. It's important to deactivate the plugin before you fully delete it, as deactivation ensures that all plugin-related processes are properly halted, reducing the risk of any leftover data corrupting your system or causing issues down the line. Click on Deactivate, and you'll receive a confirmation that Woocommerce has been turned off. And that's it. Your Woocommerce plugin is now deactivated, and you can safely proceed to remove it if you wish to do so entirely. Deactivating Woocommerce keeps your product images intact within your media library, allowing you to retain any media content you might want to repurpose or archive. Remember, these steps are designed to be straightforward to ensure a smooth experience. If you're unsure at any step, don't hesitate to double-check and, if needed, consult additional resources. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now more confident in managing your WordPress plugins. Thanks for joining me, and feel free to leave questions or comments below if you need further clarification.